Hello everyone, welcome to Balmy Hues. Today we can see how to alter a dettol bottle into a vintage bottle. For that I have taken an empty dettol bottle. You need to peel off the stickers and using a sponge I am coarsely painting white on the bottle. Once the bottle is dried, we can do the next process. Here I've already taken the print out. You can either stick a picture or any photographs of your choice and make it personalized. I'm applying glue to stick the print out. You can also apply white color on the border of the printout so that it doesn't stick out. Here I am using a silicone mold and self-hardening clay to create some patterns to decorate the bottle. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you like what I do, please consider subscribing to my channel and ring the bell to get notified as of when I post new content. In order to get the vintage look, I am applying white color on the self-hardening clay and will be gently rubbing a tissue to remove the excess paint. I'm also applying light grey color to get the old look. I'm also adding an old jewelry which is optional, and this simple and elegant vintage bottle is ready. Thank you for watching.